Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make a YouTube channel. So let's get started. For that, let's get into YouTube and we need to click on this profile icon over here and click on settings. For that, let's click on settings over here. And here we can see this option called create a new channel. Simply tap on this. Now you can add your channel name and we need to agree to the terms and condition and simply click on create. Now we need to complete the verification process. So let's click on continue. So the new channel is finally created. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.